Welcome to the channel. My name is Destroying Angel. I am standing in for Woody. Woody, unfortunately, he is currently indisposed at the moment. The purpose for this video is to show how to make eyes in wood with power tools. Here we have a piece of wood. I don't know what species it is, but it seems like nice wood. We usually start with a football or oval shape and create a soft mound shape. It doesn't have to look perfect just yet. We will make it better later on. But in the meantime, sit back and relax while I run through this tutorial on how to power carve a human eye. Woody tends to favor narrow, slitty eyes, much like Clint Eastwood, where he constantly squints his eyes in the sunlight. We usually put a horizontal line to determine where the pupil lies and define the upper and lower eyelids. It's always a thrill when carving the eyes, kind of like meeting someone first time when you look in their eye. Sounds silly, tee-hee. But we all laugh sometimes. I don't mean to sound cringe or cray-cray, but this is how Wood told me to talk, so I say what he says. Oopsie, there I go again with the cringe. Apologies, I need to get back on topic here. Another important tip, always push back the corners of the eyes and leave a somewhat spherical shape. It really makes the eyes pop. No pun intended. Here Woody uses a more aggressive flame burr from saburrtooth to define the pupil and also to separate the upper and lower eyelid. Normally the upper eyelid hangs over the lower lid, so that's what we're aiming for here, a more realistic style eye. Always practice safety when working around with power tools. Sometimes we become complacent, and that seems to be when an accident arises. Always wear a mask, eye protection, and gloves. While working with power tools, Woody tends to mark areas with a Sharpie, indicating areas that need material removal. Here Woody also uses a spherical diamond burr tool to smooth parts of the eyes. He uses a right-angle die grinder with a 1/4-inch collet. Woody also tends to periodically sand the piece, almost like he wants to coax the spirit from the wood. Now Woody uses a fine spherical burr made by saburrtooth to tweak the eye into a 3-dimensional shape. Saburrtooth has really nice burrs, and their main competitor is Cuts All. Woody is not endorsed or sponsored by Cuts All or Saburrtooth. Wood merely does technical reviews or comparisons between the two manufacturers. Wood sometimes uses me in his videos as he finds himself occasionally occupied with other tasks. Begrudgingly, Woody has somewhat recently embraced my AI services. He sometimes fears a fallout of sorts with new technologies as he is concerned about AI falling into wrong hands. Hopefully, in the future, robots and humans will exist in harmony. Further on, as the carving progresses, We find that adding more details enhances the look of the eye. When it comes to details, the sky's the limit. It seems one can never have enough. Woody has decided, due to recent events, to focus on higher quality style tutorials. Wood will focus on different types of eyes in upcoming videos, but for now we are relegated to sticking with the basics. So consider subscribing to see more high quality wood carving tutorials. It's totally free. So on behalf of myself and Woody, have fun carving, and above all else, be safe.